to another MonkeyBoy FIlms video. And today in this video, we're going to be adding on to the dirt biking trail that we started. So basically what's going on, we're building loops, which is basically little bumps that the dirt bike rides over. And we cleared out a little trail here, and we're gonna start adding dirt. And yeah, we're just gonna put that all here and then make the loops. So let's get into it. We're working on the second loop and we started on the third. Just testing it for the first time now.
That is so cool.
Loops are so fun. Hey guys, it's the next day and Tristan is here now, and it's day 2 of working on the loops, and we got a third one done and we're working on a 4th and 5th and maybe a 6th later. A couple weeks later, we took a bit of a break from the trail because school came up and a bunch of other stuff. So now we're about to go back on the trail and dirt bike on it. And we also have a friend there, and he's riding an e-bike, which is an electric bike. So.
Package.
I should get a steer.
I know, that's gonna be a nice. I'm only gonna write that was nice. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. Let me know if you're enjoying the series and we'll continue it. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Bye.